Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix NBA 2K27 game not launching or not opening, stuck on loading screen, not loading around PC. So let's go through the method. So the very first thing you have to do is to restart our PC as well as Steam. So Steam users just click on Steam, click on exit. After that, click on Windows icon, click on power, select restart. This will restart your PC as well as Steam. After that, launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the search option. From here, you have to search for device manager. After that, here you have to expand your display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA, AMD, Intel users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on manage, click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. From here, you have to select the game exe file, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK, launch the game and check if it's working now. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8, hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the search option. Now here you have to search for Windows security. After that, click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. Here you have to search for the game whether it's listed. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and after that click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -DX11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If it doesn't work, come back again, type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the issue. If this also doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to clear temp files. So for that, you have to press Windows plus R and have to type temp, press OK, and whatever the temp files you are getting over here, you simply have to select all and then click on delete option. After deleting the temp files, now try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to turn off overlays. So you are suggested to disable any kind of overlays if enabled, like MSI Afterburner, Razer Cortex, Discord, OBS Studio, and several others. And after that, check if the game is launching or not. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, you have to go to the search option. From here, you have to search for graphics settings. After that, you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app. Go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Once you add the game, from here you have to select it. Click on the arrow icon under GPU preference, select high performance, and after that, launch the game and check if it's working. Next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game file. So it may take some time, wait for it, and once the game files is verified, now launch the game and check if you can play it. Next is to update Windows. So make sure Windows is up to date. For that, go to the search option. In the search option, you have to search for check for updates. So search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates once again, and it will check if any update is available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that, launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already given the link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser. Once the website opens, you have to go below, click on the Visual C++ files link. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get repair or install option. Whatever option you get, click on it and then click on yes. Now wait for some time and then click on yes and then wait for some time. And once you get setup successful message over here, close this. After that, you have to restart your PC, and once your PC restarts, launch the game and check if you can play it. Next is to increase virtual memory. For that, go to the search option, search for view advanced system settings, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change, select the drive where your game has been installed, select custom size. In the initial size, you have to type 12288, and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. Now click on set and then click on OK. Once you have done this, launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, next is to disable Steam overlays or in-game overlays. So for that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If this option is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, you have to launch the game and check if you can play it or not. Next is to install the game on SSD. So if your game is not installed on SSD, then also you can come across several kinds of issues. So you should check it. Go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings and click on storage, and here you will find whether your game is installed on SSD or on other drive. If it's installed on another drive, then you have to simply select it, then click on move option and install the game on SSD, and after that try to launch it and check if it's. Next is to disable antivirus software. So if there is any antivirus software installed on your PC, then you are suggested to disable it before you launch the game, and after that launch it and check. But if the issue still continues, you are suggested to reinstall the game. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall and again click on uninstall option. So this will delete the game from PC. After that you have to restart your PC, and once your PC restarts, launch Steam and again reinstall NBA 2K27 game and finally click on the play button to check if it's working.